this tutorial, I will show you how to create a stylish video intro with text effects using CapCut on your PC. Start by adding your video to the timeline. Next, navigate to the Text tab and add default text. Input your desired text and customize the text style according to your preference. Moving on, go to the Animation tab and apply the Dissolve Down animation effect. Adjust the duration to around 3 seconds for a smooth transition. Then, click on Out and apply either the Fade Out animation or the Dissolve Up animation for an elegant touch. Now, access the stock materials and drag the black background to the layer between the text and video. Make sure to adjust the duration to match the text seamlessly. After that, right-click on the text and black background layers to create a compound clip. Proceed to the video basic settings, click on Blend, and choose Multiply. Adjust the opacity to around 70% for the desired effect. Next, click on the compound clip and apply the Fade Out animation for a polished finish. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.